I had a friend that went to MediaTech in 2018. She was in a recording arts program. And she was always telling me about how amazing it was. I saw what she was doing and it just really intrigued me. So one day I asked her, like, hey, what school do you go to? And she told me about it. She said they had a film department. And I toured the school about 3 times before I actually came here. So, and now the military's paying for my school. So great choice. Might as well go in the military first. I feel like it's a very bright future. Currently, I'm fresh out of MediaTech and I'm working on the Dr. Phil show. So that's a really good start to my career, I feel like. So hopefully I'll see you guys sometime in the future. Hopefully you'll see me on the big screen, maybe at the Grammys, who knows. But thanks, MediaTech.